Hey, welcome to another video. Today is a very exciting day. I'm getting winter wheels and tires mounted on my brand new Tesla Model 3 Performance. I went to Kwik Fit because I went there the last time also for my wheels and tires. I have very good experience with it. Very excited. Let me show you in a little bit what it looks like. But first, let's go do a bit of other performance. So, and while we're waiting for these beautiful tires to be mounted, it's time for a performance lunch. Yeah, look at this at KFC. Let me know if where you're from KFC is also so small. In any case, this is a nice break before the tires and wheels are ready. Session. For winter tires instead of these Pirelli summer tires. There she is, the Sputnik on the bridge, getting the new tires mounted. Very beautiful, all these winter tires. Let me know where you're from. I'm from the Netherlands and I really like winter tires because I go a lot to Germany where there's a lot of snow. And I drive to Central Europe, to Eastern Europe, to Bulgaria. And with winter tires, you can take on whatever the weather throws at you. Very nice. And yeah, I mean, I went to Kwik Fit. Like I said, I have good experience with it. I'm the type of guy who's willing to pay, let's say, 200-300 euro extra for really good service. And that's what I got there. I also get a guarantee on my tire in case there's a flat in the first year, they can't repair it. And yeah, I mean, sure, on the internet, hey, you can get them for 300 euro cheaper, the tires. Then you need to install them yourself. Not a problem. I like to do that. But the issue I have with it, that if you have something with your tires or your wheels, or there's a imperfection from the factory, or maybe they scratch something or got damaged during transport, yeah, then you're really screwed, because then you need to ship them back. Often these internet companies will make a trouble out of it. So I really like just to get them delivered to a garage and then let them install it. And then you have a single point of contact in case you need something with the tires. And then I'll show you what my winter wheel and tire selection is on the Tesla Model 3 Performance. Session. So, and we're back with the final result. Here are the winter wheels and tires on my Tesla Model 3 Performance. Let's take a closer look. And that looks very beautiful. That is very nice black winter wheels. I decided in the end to go with the German brand AEZ Felgen. Session. Look how beautiful shiny black these are. What I really like is that you can see the red brake pad out there. The brake caliper is very beautiful. And I went with AEZ. I went with the AEZ wheels because they are, yeah, of course they look good, 19-inch here, but they're also a bit stronger and they have a bigger load carrying capability than the other alloy wheels that I found for the winter. And then I decided to go with the Vredestein Wintrac Pro winter tires. Wintrac Pro Plus, I should say. Why did I go with these tires? Because they're high performance winter tires. Very beautiful, high performance winter tires, and they are very good on the wet, and especially with aquaplaning, and the wear and tear is less. It's also an A brand, and I thought, yeah, let's give this a try. I find it very important that the tires are produced in Europe. These ones, Vredestein, originally a Dutch brand. I believe they're made in Hungary right now. I think this is the right thing for a performance car, that you get also performance winter tires. I went exactly with the specs of the Tesla winter tire and wheel package, which means staggered, and it's very easy. You can go to the Tesla shop and see what they recommend there, and then you can also get that for your car. And I believe that is the best for the DNA of this car, to keep it the way Tesla has meant it to be. And in my first video you saw that I was actually considering MSW wheels, which had a greater amount of spokes. I went with the AEZ ones because, yeah, it's a bit more open, and I have the feeling that if I go into more snowy areas, yeah, it's easier to clean the snow once it gets stuck there. In the end, I don't think it matters too much. I have equal amount of spokes. Very, very beautiful, huh? Very nice. Let me know what you think about these wheels. I think they're so nice with this Tesla. I'm ultra red and black, and I'm ready whatever the winter throws at me. I need to watch out that I don't go in insane mode this winter and drive this car like a maniac. I already see myself like Marty McFly and the Doc going back to the future with these type of wheels. And I think it's just very beautiful, but yeah, it kind of encourages to drive sporty. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And there's another important reason I went with Vredestein Wintrac Pro Plus, because they have a very high speed index. They're performance tires. And I think that's very important with the insane amount of power that can go to the wheels of this Tesla Performance. And I think with these Vredesteins, who absolutely excel in the wet, and I'm already in love with these AEZ Velgen, these AEZ wheels. Look how beautiful, shiny black this is. Very nice. I'll be looking at this many times. And I think it's so nice to have just a dedicated set of winter tire and wheels. Because if you have that, you are ready with whatever winter throws at you. You can go anywhere you want. And when you swap them out, also it's important to realize that since you have two sets of tires, they don't wear as fast, of course, as if you drive only on all-season tires. And with summer tires, driving in wintry weather, that's just very dangerous. So I think it's the best decision. But let me know if you drive this car, the Tesla Model 3 Performance, or any other sports sedan, on which tires you like to drive them. Do you have winter tires, all-season tires? Let me know your favorite brand, and I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Let me know if you have dedicated winter tires and wheels on your Tesla or on your car. What's your favorite brand? I'm very excited to give these Vredestein Wintrac Pro Plus a try. I'll keep you updated. Please subscribe for my future videos. And I'm wishing you a fantastic winter with safe driving. Auf Wiedersehen.